right now, man. On the way back home from my girl house, man. Y'all boys, you know I'm on. I think I'm on 80 actually. I think I'm on 80. I don't know where I'm on actually. But yeah, chat, man. A little late night POV, man. Still on my ass. I'm going 80 already. Hold on. Little sheafy there. The cord. I'm finna turn that junk off. I ain't gonna lie. Thugging a little Drake, man. Feel me? Probably got another 2 hours, man. Man, I was supposed to be installing the Apple CarPlay system, man. Whole time I had a wire. I don't think y'all see, but man, I just added some new acrylic lighting in my car because the other lighting was straight. It was just too dark. Like it wasn't as bright. And I was looking around and did some research, man. And TikTok Shop, my girl bought me these. And she was like, shoot. Put them on, and yeah, got little animations to it as well. But these are really, really, really bright, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, we just got right now, y'all boys, on the way back to home, man. Just thugging. Crazy. Man, I'm finna get some upgrades done to my car. I'm finna get star lighting, y'all boys. Finna get stars in the roof, cause I definitely need that. Stars in the roof. I'm finna get something to open my throttle because my throttle response is very, very delayed. So I'm gonna delete the throttle response and add an ECU tune. Look at this bozo. Weirdo. Let me check my location real quick. Alright, chat, bro. I had went to the wrong exit, bro. That one was crazy. But yeah. It's stuck right now. Saying, chat, I'm gonna add a chip tune, throttle lag delay, star lights, and I'm gonna add like a few more cosmetics. I'm gonna probably get add a bigger spoiler, probably like a duck winker bell or whatever I would call it. See how that looks on my baby and Apple Play CarPlay. Cause it's actually in the back seat as we speak right now. It's back there. I just haven't installed it yet. I gotta get some more stuff. Let me get some subs in here. Let me see my dad put his junks on. Okay. Alright. See my dad can put them junks on. And yeah, it'll be straight.
death with the shit. Okay. I ain't get behind, I need the whole fine and wine, I like what they think. Okay. They playing with me like he ain't got the drink, they gon' hate when he make that whole spit. Okay. They playing with bro like he ain't from the 8, they gon' hate when we come get it lit. Okay. Somebody died, he did. We knocked down.
I've been, what's it called? On the road for a minute now. I'm finna be home. And they got like 10 minutes, man. But it's really cool, the video for it. Just chilling and driving, you know what I'm saying? Saw GTR. Got a little whistles in it, but you feel me? I just wanna get a little video out, man. Car mod is coming. I'm definitely update y'all, you know what I'm saying? Did a little car mod. Y'all can see the acrylic lighting. But yeah, man, hope y'all like this video, man. You feel me? Just a little something chill, man. You feel me? Just to put out there. You feel me?